Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So today I will do another class for mathematics. The topic is arithmetic expression. So it will help you for the following exam preparation. Okay. So the question is like that: if m arithmetic means are inserted between 1 and 31, so that the ratio of the 7 and m minus 1 means is 5:9, then find the value of m. 4 options is given. Which option is correct? We have to find out. Okay. So this topic is from arithmetic mean portion. The question is from. So what is given here? If m arithmetic means are inserted between 1 and 31, that is number 1. This one is 1, and this one is 31. This one is a first term. Okay. This one is first term, and this one is last term. Okay, so we have to insert here m arithmetic mean. Okay, m arithmetic mean. Fine. So what is d? D we can find b minus a by, if this one is a and this one is b, so b minus a by m plus and m plus 1, is not it? Yes sir. We know this one, is not it? We know that this one already. I already discussed about that topic. Okay. So b is here 31, a is 1 by m plus 1. That is 30 by m plus 1. Now find out what is a seventh. A seventh means t8. That is a plus 7d. That is a plus 7d. A is here in 1 and d is 30 by m plus 1. Okay, that is m plus 1 plus 335 by m plus 1. Okay, fine. Now come here. Therefore A7 will be m plus 351 divided by m plus 1. Okay, understood this much? Now am, sorry, tm, am equal to t m. Nth mean means m minus 1 means. Nth mean, this one is 7th mean, is not it? This one is the ratio 7th mean. This one is 7th mean. Now m minus 1 mean is a m minus 1 equal to how much? Tm. That is a plus m minus 1. That is a plus m minus 1 into d. Okay, a is 1, that is this one is m minus 1 and d is what? D is 30 by m plus 1. So simplify here. This one is m plus 1 and it will be 30m minus 31, right? That is 31m minus 29 by m plus 1. Clear? Now what they given? They given the ratio of 7 and m minus 1 means is 5:1. Now according to the question, come here, according to the questions, a7 divided by a m minus 1 is what? This one is like that. It is m plus, that is 5:1, 5:9, and this one is m plus 2 1 1. This one is m plus 1, and here this one will be 31 m minus 29 by m plus 1, right? 5/9. Okay, so this one will be cancelled. That is m plus 211 by 31 m minus 29 equal to 5/9. Now multiply this one. Now multiply this one is will be, if I multiply this, it will be 5 into 35m minus 29 equal to 9 into m plus 2 1 1. Okay, it will be 5, that is 15 m minus it will be what, that is 5 9 40 by 5, and here will be 44, that is 14 145. Here 9m, and here will be 9918. Okay, so 155m minus 9m equal to 1899 plus 145. So if you cut this, it will be 144m. Here it will be 4 and 4 13, it will be again 4, and if it will be 0 and it will be 2. Okay, so m equal to 2044 by 144. If you cut this one, it will be 14. So if you cut this by this, it will be 14. So m will be 14. So 14 is the correct answer. 14 is the correct answer. Okay, so let me explain in 30 seconds again. What is given? There are two numbers given. This one is 1 and another is 31. We have to insert m arithmetic mean here. Okay, fine. This one is first term, this one is last term, and from that I find the common divisor is what, using the formula. Now they also given, if the ratio of the 7 term and n minus term is 5:9, then find the value of m. So I find firstly 7 mean a7 is by using this formula, and a m minus 1 mean that is a m minus 1 is tm. After simplifying this one is came. Now according to the question, this by this equal to 5:9. So I just put the value here a7 and a m minus 1, and after simplifying what becomes m equal to 14. So this is the correct answer. I hope this is helpful for you and you understood. Take a screenshot from that. Hello everyone. So another question from the topic arithmetic mean. The question is like that. There are n arithmetic means between 9 and 27. So there is, this one is a, this one is b. Okay, if the ratio of the last mean to the first mean is 2:1, find the value of n. Okay, so there are 4 options given. Which option is correct? We have to check out. So let's try. What is given? The numbers given. This one is a and this one is b. Suppose there are two numbers. This one is a, that is first term, okay, of the expression, and this one is b, that is last term. In between these two, we have to insert n numbers of arithmetic mean. Okay, that is n. So what is a? A is 9, b is 27. So common difference is d equal to b minus a by n plus 1. This is the formula. We already know this one. So 27 minus 9 by n plus 1, that is 19 by 18 by n plus 1. Okay, fine. Now come here. Now look at the questions. In the second sentence, if the ratio of the last mean to the first mean, so which one is the last mean? This one is the n is the last mean. Which one is the first mean? This a1 is the first mean. So now a1 will be, a1 is what? A plus 1 into d, that is a plus d. A is what, sir? A is 9 and d is 18 by n plus 1. Now I'll simplify here. After simplifying, it will becomes like that, and it will be 9 plus 27 by n plus 1. Okay, fine. And n is a plus nd, right? A is 9, n is n, and d is 18 by n plus 1. If you multiply this one, this is LCM, there is 9n plus 9 into 18n divided by n plus 1. Okay, so it will become 27n plus 9 by n plus 1. Now according to the question, in the question given, what is given here? that is for last mean to first mean, that is an by a1. Last mean to first mean, the ratio is 2:1, that is 2 by 1. Now n is what? 27 n plus 9 by n plus 1. If I divide this, it will be n plus 1 by 9 plus 27. 9n plus 27, sorry, 9n plus 27. It will be 9n plus 27 equal to 2 by 1, right? Now come here. So this one will be cancelled. So 27n plus 9. 27n plus 9 divided by 9n plus 27, it will become 2 by 1. So I take common here 9, it will become 3n plus 1, and here it will become, if I take common here, it will become n plus 3 equal to 2 by 1, right? 9 will be cancelled out. Now multiply this, that is 2n plus 6 equal to 3n plus 1, that is 6 minus 1 equal to 3n minus 2n, that is n equal to 5. So n equal to 5 is the correct answer. So which option is correct? Option A is correct, sir. Option A is correct answer. So let me explain again in 30 seconds. There are n arithmetic means between 9 and 27. There is 9 is the first number and 27 is the last number. So you have to insert n arithmetic mean. Okay. Now after that they give one hint here. The last mean to the ratio of last mean to the first mean is 2:1. So find the value of n. So here I first find the value of common difference is what? By using this formula, and after that I find the first mean is what? Okay, and after that I find the last mean is what? And according to the question, the last mean to the first mean is 2:1. So I put the value of n and a1 here, and after simply what becomes? N equal to 5. So n equal to 5 is the correct answer. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone. So another questions from AP. The question is like that: if a1, a2, a3 dot n are in AP, then where ai greater than 0 for all I, and find the value of the expressions. That is, this one is the expression. We have to find out the value of the expression is which option is correct. Okay, so let's try. So let D is common difference. Okay, this question came in JEE Mains and different state engineering and so many times. Okay, so this very most important questions. So take this expression here. It gives the common difference. Therefore, we can say a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2 dot an minus a n minus 1 equal to what? D. Is not it? Equal to D. Now take these expressions: a1 plus a2 plus root over a2 by root over a3 plus plus 1 by root over a n minus 1 by root over n. Now here rationalize. Okay, I rationalize this one. Okay, let's see. This one is 1, this one is 2. I write the second term first. Okay, I write in this way: a2 plus this one is a1 and this one is a3 and a2. In this way I write this one in decreasing order. This one is an first and it will be an minus 1. Okay, now I rationalize this one with the opposite sign of here. It will be a2 minus a1 and here root under a2 plus root over a1 into, it will be root over a2 minus root over a1. Okay, opposite sign multiply both side. Sorry, both side, both numerator and denominator. Here also a3 minus, here will be a3 minus a2 and here will be like that a3 plus a2 root under, here also a3 minus a2 root under. Okay, fine. After that here will be a n minus root under a n minus 1. Fine. Here will be like that similar pattern. It will be a n plus a n minus 1. It will be root. Here will be root. Okay. Okay, back again. And here also that is a n minus a n minus 1. Fine. Now here look at here, it will be it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Here also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Here also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Now we can write this root over of a2 minus root over a1 by a2 minus a1. Here also root over of a3 minus root over of a2 by a3 minus a2 plus dot dot plus here also root over of an minus root over of a n minus 1 by an minus a n minus 1. Okay. Now this term, the a2 minus a1, that is second term minus first term, third term minus second term, n dot dot a n minus a n times. We can write this d, common difference. Okay, it will be d, a2 minus a1, it will be d, and here it will be also d, and plus dot dot plus here it will be also d. Okay, it will be d. So take d as common, 1 by d, and it will be left a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2 root under plus dot 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 plus a n plus root a n minus 1. Right. So all the parts, since it is a series, all the parts will be cancelled out. Only a1 root under a1 and this part will be left. That is first part and last part will be left here. It will be a n plus a n minus 1. Okay. Now rationalize here again. It's 1 by d. If I rationalize here, it will be become a n plus root over a n and a n minus root over a1 divided by a n minus a1. So after simplification, what will become here? It will become, it is become like that, something like that. It is become, it will be a n minus 1. Okay. So 1 by d, it will be a n minus a1 by root over a n minus root over a1. Now just put the value of a n. A n is what? N term. The n term is what? First term. N term is first term into n minus 1 into d minus a1 by root over of a n minus root over of a1. Okay. This one will be cancelled and d will be cancelled. So what is left here? A n minus 1 by root over a n minus root over 1. Okay. So root over a n minus root over a1.